I'm Gucci Westman and I'm here today with the beautiful Lakshmi, and I'm going to show you how to do a simple holiday makeup look. All about the eyes and the skin being super beautiful, but it doesn't look like it took 7 hours. Liquid super loaded. This is in Peau de Rosé under the eyes to brighten and add a little more radiance. 2 shades of foundation. I'm using one that's a little bit lighter for the more kind of under eye area, around the nose, the sort of central part of the face. And then I'm using a shade that's a little bit deeper for kind of, the forehead, the peripheral area of the face, to sort of tie the two together. For anyone who is a little bit intimidated by the idea of contour, it is really so easy. Find your cheekbone, you go right underneath. It's all about the blending and the texture. Do a little bit on the nose if I want. So I have like this obsession with a little sparkle for Christmas holidays. I like that it's a really translucent kind of shimmer. Just going in the tear duct and ever so slightly dusting it over your lid. And do a little black liner. I'm going to use my eyeshadow brush, the pencil, and just go into the lower lash and lower lid. So having both the pencil and then a liquid is really nice, because then you get 2 sorts of blacks and it just feels richer. I don't want it to look like too flicky, or, it's more kind of a straight line. I think we just finish off with a little bit of squeaky clean liquid lip balm in Virginity. So you just look hydrated and fresh and hot AF. What I like about it is it feels quite effortless and simple. So it's like easy, very Lakshmi look. I hope you try this look at home, and happy holidays.